We are proud to present the Siligun, the most compact, convenient, and lightweight caulking gun you'll ever use. It's time to replace your old-fashioned caulking gun and start working with the compact Siligun. Only 4 inches. Siligun's innovative and unique patent allows it to perform any job, even in extremely narrow spaces and challenging angles to maneuver in. At the end of the day, the compact Siligun also fits easily into any toolbox. After a short use and dispensing of material, the Siligun can be made even smaller by shortening the tube. Just use a knife to cut the remaining empty back of the tube. To start working, open the tube. Press the clutch, insert the tube into the gun, and pull the handle. The Siligun is ready to use. The Siligun device has a powerful push ratio of 12:1 and a unique dripless mechanism that prevents excess dripping. As soon as you stop pulling the handle, the material stops coming out. Once you're done, press the clutch, push the tube forward, and pull it out. To continue working after the tip of the tube has been clogged with dry material, simply use the puncture pin attached to the Siligun. Take it out here and place it back after use. Order the innovative Siligun today. Siligun, a small device, a huge innovation.